Okay, I got a big ass screw in the tire. It's leaking bad. I got the green slime in there, but it's not holding. If you park with this down, the slime kind of runs to the hole, but if you park with the screw on the top, the slime runs down and it doesn't seal it, so it goes flat. I just got this screw a few hours ago on my tire. I bought this kit from Wal-Mart for $3. It comes with this. I'm pretty sure this, you clean off the hole, and then this tool right here, you stick these strips of tire plug on this tool and jam it in the hole. So I got a pair of channel locks and a pair of cutters, like side cutters, to try and get this thing out. I'm not sure what's gonna work. Wow, that's really in there. It's a huge screw. Oh man. It's at an angle. That sucks. Okay, it comes out better like that. About as long as my index finger, about 3 inches long. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just trying to put a plug in my tire. I drove over a big screw. Oh yeah, if you just go straight back, it'll be okay. Yeah, don't turn. Just go straight back and then turn after you pass my car. Yeah, If you hear screaming, stop. I hope so. It was a huge screw. It was like this long. Gigantic screw. So I hope this works. I've never done this, but you stick. The slime didn't work. It didn't hold. But these are like strips of sticky, like it looks like licorice. You pull up. Yeah, $3. You get like 5 of them. You shove it in the hole and it seals it somehow. I hope, but the hole is gigantic. Okay, I got one of these sticky things. Look how sticky it is. It sticks to my finger. And I got this tool. And I guess what you do is you're supposed to stick it through the hole. I don't know about this. You're supposed to thread it through there, I believe. But it's so damn sticky. It doesn't want to go through. I don't know how you're supposed to get that threaded on there. Hold on. I'm going to get a screwdriver to spread this open. Okay, I got a screwdriver. Just going to try and spread this apart. Yeah, then flip this. This ain't exactly working either. The heck? It says insert plug centered in the eye of the needle. It doesn't really go into the eye of the needle. It's so sticky. Okay, I think what I need to do is pull it through the eye, grab it, stick it in. It's so sticky it doesn't want to go through. So I'm gonna grab it with some pliers. Okay. Yeah. There. So I grabbed it. Grab it with some pliers and pull it until it's like halfway. Now you just basically you jam it in the hole like that, and then has instructions. There's instructions back here on the back of the package. It says insert it centered in the eye of the needle into the puncture. Insert into the puncture until the plug is pushed approximately 2/3 of the way in. Pull the needle straight out with a rapid motion. Do not twist while pulling out. Cut off the excess material. Flush with the tire tread. Then re-inflate. Alright. Can you see that? Pretty hard to get in there. Okay, now I gotta pull it out. pull it out with a rapid motion. Stuck. Okay. The plug stayed in, so I hope that holds. Okay. I cut off what was sticking out. Now I'm going to inflate it.